Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Code Canvas. In this video, I will explain how you can add Twitter feeds on your WordPress based website or in your website. Twitter is one of the popular social media platform. In a week, Twitter has more than 300 million active users. So it's very necessary to embed your tweets in your website. So in WordPress, there is one plugin called Ultimate Twitter Feeds, which is very useful and easy to integrate. I will explain how you can integrate this plugin into your WordPress based website. For that, first you need to download this plugin. Go to WordPress Administrator, WordPress Dashboard, go to Plugins, click on Add New, Upload Plugin, just drag it and install, activate. Once you activate this plugin, you have to go to WordPress widgets. In WordPress widget area, you can add your widget in whatever section you want. There are multiple footers, footer 1, footer 2. Let's add here. Once you add on that widget, there are default options which are already selected. You just have to update, go to your website. In footer, you will see the feeds from this Twitter Dev handle. Here I have given a handle Twitter Dev. How you can find this handle for your Twitter? You can see the name of your Twitter. You just have to copy this and paste it here in handle. There are multiple options like title, you can update that, a feed type, profile list, and single tweet. I will explain other options as well. The width and the height, you can change width and height for this widget. You can change the language as well as the theme. It supports dark and light theme. And you can check this opt out for tailoring Twitter update. As you can see, the language has been updated to Russian language, and title is also updated, and the theme is now dark. Like this, you can change height and width of the widget as well. So this is the feed from a Twitter handle. There is another option called list. The list is basically a list of tweets created by a specific Twitter account. So, for example, for Twitter Dev, you can see view list. There is one list called National Park. Here you can find the number of tweets for these specific national parks. You just need to copy this list URL and paste it here in handle. Just paste it and click on update. Once you click on update, you have to check it will list all the tweets from this specific list, a Twitter list. Again, other options are also available for the list, the width, height, and other options. The last option is single tweet. You can also embed a single tweet in your widget as well. To find a single tweet, you need to click on any tweet. For example, I am opening this tweet. This is a single tweet. I just need to copy this URL, paste it here in handle, and update. You have to keep in mind that with this single tweet, the height will not work because it's only a single tweet. You cannot change the height for that single tweet. So this is the single tweet. So there are three options: profile, a list, and single tweet. There are options for width, height, the language, as well as the theme, the light and dark. So this is the way you can add Twitter feeds in your WordPress based website. If you don't have WordPress, if you have a static HTML based website or a website with any language, you can use embedded tweets using one platform which is given by Twitter only. You have to visit publish.twitter.com. When you go, you will find here multiple options: a tweet, a profile, a list, a handle, or hashtag. For example, I want to check a list. It will give you the iframe code. The yeah, when you add, we have to just copy this code and paste it into your HTML. Then it will load these tweets for you. So that's all for this video. I hope you learned something new. Please leave comments. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time. Thank you.